Hi, I'm the Papercraftsman, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to scale Papercraft models so you can make them in any size you want. I will be using Cricut Design Space to demonstrate, but if you don't have a Cricut or any kind of desktop craft cutter, you can also use any program that lets you work with SVG files. Let's begin. To start, you need to set the pattern up to cut out at the size the designer intended, aka full size. I am using my snowman template, and as you can see, I already have everything ready to go. So to change its size, I just need to select everything, go up to the size menu, change the numbers, and I'm done. Super easy, tutorial over, right? But what about if you want the model to be a specific size? How would we go about doing that? To do so, we need to find something called our scaling factor. First, we need to know two things: how big the model is at full size and how big we want it to be. At full size, this snowman assembles to be 18 inches tall and has a length and width of 9.8 inches by 9.23 inches. Let's say that I want to shrink it down to 10 inches tall, so all we need is the 18-inch height measurement. Then, to find the scale factor, we simply take our desired height and divide it by the full size height. In this case, that would be 10 inches divided by 18 inches to give us a scale factor of 0.5 repeating, or 0.556 for simplicity. Next, we go back to Cricut, select everything, and look at the size window again. Multiply one of those numbers by your scale factor and replace it with the result. In this case, 33.2 inches times 0.556 is 18.465 inches. Just make sure the padlock up here is locked before you change the number, or else you will have to repeat this step for the second number. Now what you need to do is rearrange the pieces so they fit more efficiently on your material. To do this, I recommend attaching the layers of each piece together so you can move them around individually and overlay them on a guide rectangle that represents your paper. I usually make the rectangle a little smaller than my actual material to make sure Cricut doesn't cut off the edge, or so that it fits within my printer's margins if I'm planning on printing it. Once you have all the pieces laid out in a way you like, delete the rectangle and use the attach command on each sheet as normal to keep their orientation when cutting. And with that, you're done. You now know how to add another level of customization to your favorite models.